Here we are. Are you ready?
Maybe.
Okay, say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. Thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for your asking. What's this?
This is a pencil sharpener.
It's a pencil sharpener. What's that?
It's a window.
Yes. What are these?
These are clocks.
These are clocks. Are those doors?
No, they aren't.
Very good. Read this one.
Black, clock,
One more time.
block, clock,
One more time.
clock,
Is it cloud?
clue,
Cloud. This one?
leaf,
Yes.
flag.
Yes. And read the article, please.
There are 2 rooms for children in this hotel. This is a pirate room. There are paintings of boats on the walls. There are 2 beds in the room. The beds are both. There is a toy box and there are lots of toys. There's a wardrobe in the room. There are chairs and there is a table. There are bunks beds too. There's a TV and there's a DVD player.
That is totally great. And say goodbye.
Goodbye.